Welcome to this rare opportunity for a fabulous mid-century masterpiece located on a premier lot in the Cathedral Park neighborhood overlooking the Willamette River. Situated on nearly half an acre near the University of Portland, Cathedral Park, the St. John's area, and downtown Portland. Discover gorgeous gardens, perfectly manicured landscapes, a charming walking bridge, and lovely flower beds. Heading inside, you'll find a true wood-burning fireplace, original hardwood floors throughout, picture-hanging crown molding, and authentic doors and hardware in this home built in 1948. Enjoy upgraded appliances, tranquil views, and a flowing floor plan that works for everyone with wide open spaces to relax or entertain. This main floor has 2 spacious bedrooms with ample closets and a full bath. Upstairs is a custom primary suite with a library, a fireplace, and a balcony for quiet evenings. Plus a spacious private ensuite bath. The partially finished basement is a blank slate with another wood-burning fireplace, party room, plus space to add additional bedrooms and another finished full bath. Let your stress melt away in your garden oasis with mature landscaping and ideal spaces for the garden enthusiast. You'll even find a reading cottage or gardener's shed where it's easy to get away from it all. Plus river views out the back and plenty of privacy. Your own piece of paradise. It's all here on North Willamette Boulevard and ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.